inkinga yami ukuthi ngize ngifike lana ngibhalisile last year for umntana grade 8 bangibhalisa ngasubmitha i-proof ngachoose ukuthi ama-document ngizowa-submitha hand ekoleni mangihambisa esikoleni bathi proof of address ayisebenzi i-statement i-bank statement okay ngajika ngabuyela endlini and then ngahamba ngayofuna incwadi yekhansela mangabe ngihamba ngiyisubmitha baphinde bathi na incwadi yekhansela ayisebenzi ngoku bafuna incwadi yamanzi noma i-lease agreement bathatha ama-document okade kwi-ID yami i-copy ye-ID yami i-copy yomntwana ne-report lomntwana and then manje inkinga yami nabo i-proof of address efletini bangenzela ngokuthi i-lease agreement ibingabizi mina ibiza umyeni wami ukuthi bongozethu afani bangenzela incwadi yokuthi ngihambe ngiyisubmit mangabe ngiyisubmitha nabo sebethi cha ayikho into abazoyikhuluma nami sekumele ngize ka Department of Education ngoba ama document ami bekade engaphelele vele mangiwasubmit ngabatshela ukuthi angithi ngakade ngangichoose option ukuthi ngisubmit by hand ekoleni bathi ayikho into abasazongisiza ngayo kuzomela ngize ka department ukuthi bangisize so ngila ka department ngilindiwe kulayini ukuthi ngisizwe siloke esimile la ngaphandle akekho okukhona okukhulumile kithi njengoba
Last year, the middle of the year, we were busy with the application. It came through, they said that school that you were supposed to go to was declined, we must try another school. So now, like I said, that's what we're to try and find out why it was declined. If we stay in the area, she's got a good education, you know, what is the problem? Why are we battling with this?
Siphuma Tarfontein, Rosettenville. Iy'kole zakhona, they're all dominating among foreign nationals. Maybe 80% ama foreign nationals. Kuma khona sofika ama space zonke ikole kuthiwa kugcwele. Ma South Africans afi principal wase Kenilworth uthi none of his damn business akayena home affairs aka prioritize ama South Africans uthatha noma yiphi ingane asibone ukuthi senza njani. So bese size la sithi maybe Operation Dudulu izosiza because abantwana bazihleli emakhaya.
Ek is die ouma, dis my kleindogter. Ons het online applikasie gedoen vir haar. We did apply online for her. And the feedback we got is we didn't get place for her. At 2 schools we did apply. On the last, they only told us she can't go to school. There's no place for her in the school. I don't know what sy, ek weet nie watter kant toe om te gaan nie. Ek pleit by julle, ek vra vir hulp. Ons is hier vir 'n rede om te dink aan my kleinkind se toekoms. Future is on her. I must think of her. Asseblief om ons te kan help. Ek pleit dan want ek's in 'n state I don't sleep at night. I don't rest till my child is in a school, placed in a school, a decent school. So, can you please help?
Today, Reklamoko Department of Education because of my children's placed on another school that we've never applied for and it's far from us. And now I came to get help just to take her back to the school that I've applied for because we've already bought uniform and we can take her to a new school, but the application is still in process. And then I could check her last week online, I check and then the only thing that I got was transfer, place it on another school, and on that school they've already accepted her. So today kids are schooling Barry, they can't help me, so I have to come here first.
I think it's unfair because the children's future is they must think of the children. We are big people. Our kids' future is what we have to think of. Not us. They must think about the kids that must grow up and still go. Their future is still behind them. We big. It's their future.
Sengithi mangabe ukuthi abangisizi lana kusho kuzomela umntwana ngihambe ngimfunela isikole emakhaya noma ahamba kuma private school.
To be honest, the other option is we don't have the other option because the other option is 20 kilometers away. You know, like I said, we work on the roads. You know, we need to take off time now, go fit 20 kilometers out. Normally the grandparents fetch the kids. Now it's complete balls up now. So that's what we need to try and resolve this and find out what is the next step forward.
This is the department, most of the department show vibe Braamfontein from Braamfontein, but hambisa umntwana esowethu kanjani uhlala eTarfontein?
Abam accept like they didn't say anything. Lord, the documents maybe they are shorter or anything. They didn't notify or say anything. So I just want to know why Bamu places on another school that we didn't apply for. It's far.
Umntwana
azohamba i-distance omunye umzali uyi-single parent akanayo imali yokubhadala i-transport umntwana manje kumele ahambe the next thing umntwana akasabuya endlini utholakala umntwana ureyipiwe umntwana ubulawiwe because umama ngeke ahlale angaye emsebenzini ukuthi ayosebenzela bona because of isikolo sisekudeni kumele akhaphe yena every morning uyang-understand so angeke uthi usuke eKibla Park bathi hamba umntwana ayofunda eTafantein you understand right now eSoweto siney'kolo about 6 iy'kolo eziqala ama-illegal foreigners yes why lezo iy'kolo zingavulwa kuthiwa kunayipesa ey'kolweni iy'kolo zihlela zisebenzi e-White City kunesikolo esiqala ama-Pakistan sike sakomplaina ngaleso sikolo but abayenzi nothing ngaleyo nto leyo about 6 eSoweto iy'kolo ezingasebenzi
Ngibuhlungu kakhulu ngoba umntwana ohleli lapha endlini ababhekanga amaphepha eDenver nala ngaphakathi abafune nokubheka amaphepha angazi ukuthi sho ukuthi besimele i-2 mahhala laphaya sho ukuthi abantwana bethu bazobe behleli abanye beye ezikolweni because laphaya eDenver bathe ngibuyela lana sebengitshela ukuthi hamba ufuna ingakwesinye isikolo maybe iDenver igcwele aba-check ukuthi iDenver ugcwele or awugcwelanga ngivela nje ngirefera kwenye indawo ababona ukuthi i-right for bona.
So looking at what's going on here now, it is hard, it breaks a person heart. Because what future has our kids got in the country? Why? That's why everyone wants to see, take the kids overseas. Take the kids overseas. Instead of having a future here with our kids, we've got everything that we need. We've got the infrastructure. Why not use it? Why not use it? We've got it.
Mina ngihopa nje ukuthi namhlanje ne-results zokuthi umntana mayongena eDenver kusasa esikolweni cha ayikho enye into engicabangayo ngoba umntana uhlele esikolweni endlini uzohlala abantwana bethu bayogcina bekuma drugs because bahlele endlini abanasikolo ugovernment akasinakanga thina akanaxesha lethu ngitsho nabantu abasebenza kugovernment basihambisa lena le kunini ngehla ngisenyuka ngihambela sona isikolo from December kuvala kwezikolo unayo izolo okutshona ilanga nje ngisesitradeni ngishiswa yilanga ngenxa yesikolo kodwa khona nomuntu ophatha le document le athi ngicela ukubona sisahlale nami angivisisa akekho wonke umuntu vela ngithumelele nale
because sekwehlule nje into ne-government nje sesigive up it's failing as big time.
Abantwana bazoze babe pregnant bareyipiwe yazi into ebuhlungu kakhulu uma bangena la ngaphakathi ayikho nento abayi-check-ayo bamtshela nje ukuthi ispace asikho mara ama-illegal immigrants abantwana babo bane-space yeah is it fair? We are the voters of this country. We are the voters of this country.
Uma ngabe kungenzeka ukuthi umntana bayamthatha bayamshintsha isikole lesekade ngikuso bathi bamusa kwesinye isikole angeke ngikwazi kuba ne-transport money because isikole bekade ngisikhethile siseduzane nala engihlala khona bezowokha uma ngabe esikoleni.